Hello there everyone! Welcome back to another video. Welcome to Math with Teacher Riva. Hello everybody! How are you doing today? I bet you are all doing good today. Let's learn together. Do you like it? Let's start with Math with Teacher Riva. But first, a little reminder for all of you. Please get your notebook or any piece of paper. Get your pen. And please copy important information as we go along the video. Again, please get your notebook or any piece of paper. Get your pen as well and copy important information as we go along the video. Alright, let's begin. Last time, we studied about how to change decimal to percentage. Change decimal to percentage. How did we able to change decimal forms to percentage? That's by following different steps. First, you change fractions to decimal first. If the given item is in its fraction form, you have to change it first to decimal form. Step 2. Move 2 decimal places to the right. Remember, when we change decimal to percentage, we move 2 places to the right. Since a percentage form, or the 100 in the percentage form, has 2 zeros, just to make your solutions easy. Step 3. Add or remove decimal points. Add or remove decimal points. There are instances that decimal points should be moved when changing decimals to percentage. Usually, percentages have less decimal points, just those times that a number has added values. Lastly, the most important step of all, because you cannot call a percentage if not for this step. Step 4. Add a percentage sign or symbol, like this one. You always have to put a percentage sign at the end of a number to specify that it is a percentage number, because a normal number is different from a percentage one. Okay? First, change fraction to decimal first if the given item is a fraction. 2. Move 2 decimal places to the right. 3rd, add or remove, take away decimal points. And lastly, add a percentage sign. Those are the steps to change a decimal number to percentage. For you to be refreshed, let's take a look at some examples. We have to change 5/8 to percentage. Now, what is the first step? We need to change it to decimal first. So, let's see. how to change fraction to decimal? Okay, we change fraction to decimal by dividing the numerator, which is 5, by the denominator, which is 8. So we have here 5 divided by 8. Okay, just follow the arrow on your screen. Okay, next, after dividing it, we look at it if it's possible to divide the 2. Is 5 divisible by 8? Yes or no? No, very good. So that means we have to add 0 next to 5. So this time it becomes 50. 50 divided by 8. Alright, it is 6. Good job. 6 times 8. It's 48. Very good. Now, let's subtract 50 by 48. That becomes 50 minus 48 equals 2. Okay, 2 divided by 8. Cannot. Cannot. Good job. So, we add 0. 20 divided by 8 is 2 times 8 is 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. 4 and 8 cannot be divided, so add another 0. 40 divided by 8 can already, so we have 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 minus 40 is equal to 0. Therefore, our decimal form for 5/8 is 0.625. Now we are ready to change it to percentage form. As we have said, 5/8 is equal to 0.625. So let's copy it down below. And remember, percentage is equal to 100%. So we move 2 decimal places to the right. It's from the decimal point. Very good. So let's move. 1, 2. So at this time, the decimal point is already at... Okay, good job. It's between 2 and 5. Very good. So we write it as 62.5. Is it in its percentage form already? Percentage already? Yes or no? No. What is lacking? Okay, very good. You have to add the percentage sign. And now it becomes 62.5%. That's equal to 5/8. Do you understand? Okay. Another example. Supposing we have 2 7s, we changed it to decimal already, so it's 0.286. Okay? So, move 2 places to the right. 1, 2. That means the decimal point is between 8 and 6. Right? So we write 28.6. And don't forget the rule. You add a percentage sign after the last number. So now it's 2 7s is equal to 28.6 Okay? Again, 28.6% is the percentage form for the fraction 2/7. Last time I left you with an activity to try at your house. Let's check your answers and let's see if you somehow understood our lesson. So these are 8 items. Let's start with item number 1. 2/5. What is its decimal form? Okay, good job. It's 0.4. So the percentage is 40%. Very good. Next, number 2. 3/8. 8/10 in decimal is? Very good. It's 0.8. So its percentage form is? Okay, good job. It's 80%. Let's move to number 3. 1/4. 4/7. 4/7 is equal to 0.57. Therefore, its percentage form is 57%. You got this 3 right? Okay, that's good. How about the 4th item? We have 9/15. Change to decimal form, we have 0.6. So we get 60%. Number 5. 1/3 is equal to 0.33, which is equal to 33%. 6th item, we have 4/7. 4/7 is equal to 0.57, which is also equivalent to 57%. Alright? Number 7. 0.5783. It's already in its decimal form, so no need to change anything. Just move 2 places to the right. So what's the answer? Okay, very good. We have 57.80%. Good job. Number 7. 0.315. It's already in a decimal form, just like number 6. So just move again 2 places to the right. That's 31.5%. And lastly, 0.178. 17.8%. Who got all the correct answers? Well, good job for you, everyone. Keep up the good work. Alright, now we are ready to move on to the next topic. For the next topic, let's learn some vocabularies. First, repeat after me. Everybody say, convert. Good job. Divide. Very good. Recurring. Terminating. Greater than. Less than. Alright. Now, as you can see here, there are two figures. There are two parts being drawn in the screen. How many parts is the first one? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is why we wrote 4 over here. Write 4 here. Okay? Why is it 2? Because we have 2 colored or shaded parts. So when you read it, it's 2 fourths. And this one is 1/4. If this is the case, if both the denominators of both fractions are the same, it's easy to compare. It's easy to know which one has a big part or which one has a small part. Because you don't need to change anything already. It's the same. So if you try to look at here, 2/4 and 1/4, we can say that 2/4 is greater than 1/4. Because as you can see, 2 is greater than 1. Is it right? Okay. And we can also say 1/4 is less than 2/4 because 1 is smaller than 2. So we're going to use the symbol for this one, greater than and less than. But if our denominators are not the same, or if we have unlike fractions, it's quite difficult. Why? Okay, because good thing if there is a picture, but if there's no picture, it's hard. It's not easy to compare which one is bigger or which one is smaller. So looking at the picture, we can say that 1/4 is less than 1/3. Or 1/3 is less than 1/4. Less than, greater than. Okay. Another way to compare fractions is to change it to decimal form. Right? And we've already studied how to change fraction to decimal already, so it's easy. 1/4 in decimal is what? Okay, it's 0.25. Good job. How about 1/3 in decimal? Okay, it's 0.333 ... Okay, so that means when we compare the two, we have to look at first the very first digit of the decimal. Let's try to see. Why do you think we have less than here? Okay, good job, because 2 is smaller than 3. Okay, 2 is smaller than 3. If the decimal does not stop and keeps on repeating a particular number, it's what we call recurring. Everybody say recurring. Okay, good job. And this one. 0.25 is less than 0.33. Same as with this one. Change the decimal first. We have 0.5 and 0.5. Therefore, it is very simple. Alright, good job. It's equal. Kindly say 0.5 is equal to 0.5. If the decimal stops, it's called terminating. Terminating. Everybody please read. 0.5 is equal to 0.5. There you have it. And again, if you compare fractions, just use the same symbols when we compare normal numbers. We have less than, equal to, and greater than. What is this? Great job. This one. Very good. This one. Good job. Look at the example. Supposing we have 5 6 and 2 7. Change 5 6 and 2 7s in decimal. What is the decimal form for 5 6? Kindly compute in your house. Okay, we got it. We have 0.83. How about 2 7s? 0.29. So let's write the two decimal forms here. Okay, we already have 0.29 and 0.83. What symbol are we going to use? Alright, good job. We use less than. 5 6 is greater than 2 7s. Or 2 7s is less than 5 6. The other way around. You can do it. Okay, next. Supposing we have 4 tenths and 3 fifths. We change to decimal 0.4. We change to decimal, it's 0.6. Write both decimals here. What symbol are we going to use? Okay, very good. You use greater than. So how are you going to say it? Alright, you say 3 fifths is greater than 4 tenths. Or you can say the other way around. 4 tenths is less than 3 fifths. Greater than meaning it's big, less than it's small. Remember, okay? Alright, let's have another example. I have here 3 6 and 1/2. Okay? Change decimal. It's 0.5. 1/2 is also 0.5. Very easy. What comparison symbol are we going to use? Good job. It's equal to. Then you can say 3 6 is equal to 1/2. Again, one more time please. 3 6 is equal to 1/2. Or 1/2 is equal to 3, 6. Last example for comparing fractions and decimals. 3 eighths, 2 ninths. I will just slide, click, and you try to think the steps in comparing them. Okay? Write both the numbers. What's the comparison symbol? Okay, it's greater than. 3 eighths is greater than 2 ninths. Or 2 ninths is less than 2. Let's go to the last topic for this video. Arranging unlike fractions. In this topic, you're going to meet the vocabulary such as ascending order. Again, please. Ascending order. Descending order. When you say ascending order, the value is going up or down. Very good. It's going up. How about if it's descending order? Is it going up, going sides, or going down? Very good. It's going down. What is this? Everybody read. Ascending order. Good job. This one? Descending order. Example. 5 eighths, 2 eighths, 4 eighths, 3 eighths, and 1 eighth. You arrange in an ascending order. That means it's going up. Okay. These fractions are easy to arrange because their denominators are the same. That's if your fractions are like. It's very, very easy. So what's the answer? 1 eighth, 2 eighths, 3 eighths, 4 eighths, and 5 eighths. This is ascending order. All the numbers are going up. Okay? Next, what if this one? We have 7 tenths, 1 tenths, 3 tenths, 2 tenths, and 9 tenths. Arrange in a descending order. That means you arrange going down. Very good. So, what is the first one? We have 9 tenths. Good job. 7 tenths, 3 tenths, 2 tenths, and 1 tenth. These fractions are arranged in what order? Good job. Descending order. But what if our fractions are not like fractions? The decimals are not the same. So we have example, 5 halves, 1 half, 3 fourths, 6 eighths, 1/1. Let's put the answers first, okay? Why is it 8? It's because since they are not the same or the denominators are not the same, you have to find their greatest common factor so you can divide. The greatest common factor that can be divisible by all of these denominators is 8. But how did we get 20, 4, 6, 6, 8? It's 8 divided by 2 is 4. Very good. After that, we multiply it to the numerator on top. So, from 8 divided by 2, it's 4. 4 times 5, we get 20. Okay? 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 1 is 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2 times 3, we get 6. 8 divided by 8 is 1 times 6, we get 6. 8 divided by 1 is 8 times 1, we get 8. That is why we have the following fractions. Now, it's easy to arrange the fractions because their numerators are already moved and denominators are already the same. Now, it becomes, we write the original fractions, 5 halves, 1 half, 3/4, 6/8, 1 over 1. And their equivalent fractions, 20 over 8, 4/8, 6/8, 6/8, 8/8. Arrange to ascending order. Ascending order means going up. So, what number is the smallest number over here? We've got 4/8. And 4/8 is equal to 1 half. So we write 1 half followed by 6/8, 3/4, 1, and the last one is 5 halves. That's it. The fractions are already arranged in ascending order. Look at the different vocabularies this time. Try to remember what each of these vocabulary words means. Alright? Very well done. Now, I will give you more examples next time, but for now, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for listening. I hope you have learned something from today's video. Goodbye everyone, and see you again here